So today we are going to use Photoshop 2020 for editing a picture background. If you want to remove the picture background in Photoshop 2020, what you need to do is just open your picture here and select a tool, Smart Object Selection tool. So click on it and then select the entire area of your object. Let's suppose I'm selecting this person entire area in a square box, and as you can see here, this person, all the area object is selected. Now as you can see here, sometimes if you have a little bit area is pending to select, you can use any other tool like this polygonal lasso tool and then click on shift to add a plus area over it, and then select the entire area like this, and now click on alt to add this on the object. As you can see here, the object is selected, and now if you want to remove the background, what you need to do is just drag it and create a new layer over it, or simply right click on the layer to create a duplicate layer. Okay, so as you can see, it's duplicated. Now what we need to do is, if you want to remove the background, just click on it and select inverse and then click on backspace, and as you can see here, after hide the layer of background, as we don't have any background right here. Now click Ctrl plus D to deselect this all, and you can save this file as PNG in your computer from here. As you can see here, we have PNG file here, and then if I save it right there in the download and click OK, now the background is erased and this is a picture without a background. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for this type of videos.